Hello viewers, welcome once again to this channel. You are here to continue with me the questions on NECO 2023 General Mathematics question paper. We are on a good course. Question number 42 upward. We are to determine the value of 7x in the diagram as we are seeing. This is angles of interior and exterior, and also properties of a triangle, which is what? An isosceles triangle. We also know that the side being marked, meaning the angle here is the same as this angle. We can also bring into bear the property of vertically opposite angle when two lines intersect each other, meaning this angle is the same as what? This angle. Vertically opposite angles are the same. Good. If that is true, then this will also be 5x, because this is also vertically opposite. And understanding that this side is the same, making the triangle an isosceles triangle, meaning the base angles will also be what? The same. So here will be 2x, here will be 2x. So now another property of a triangle says that if I add 5x plus 2x plus 2x, I should get what? 180. The sum of the interior angles of a triangle give us 180 degrees. So 2 plus 2 plus 5 will be 9x equals to 180 degrees divided by 9 as the coefficient, and that gives us x equals what? 20 degrees. But we are looking for 7x. So your 7x will just be 7 times x, which now become what? 140 degree. And that will have been the option E on the question paper. In the diagram below, KTN is a tangent to the circle at the point T. Find the angle NTA, which is this exterior angle. Remember, a property under circle theorem says that angles in opposite segments are the same. Or better still, angle produced by a chord and a tangent is equal to the angle in the opposite segment. AT is a chord. So this is a segment, this is another segment, minor segment, major segment. So this angle they are looking for is just also what? 65 degrees. Angle in opposite segments are the same, and that will be the option C. Question 44. An aeroplane flies from a town P on a bearing of 45 degrees to a town Q, a distance of 200 kilometers away. It then changes its course and flies to another town R on a bearing of 120 degrees. If R is directly east of the point P, calculate the length of PR correct to the nearest whole number. That's the nearest kilometer. So let's just say we begin our journey from here. So this is the town P, due north. Moving to a different town, we are moving on an angle of what? 45 degrees to the town Q. From the north, we measure 45, and that is going to be somewhere here. So if I am going to be at the town, this is going to be a town Q, the north. The distance between them is 200 kilometers. The angle is 45 degrees. Then when the aeroplane gets to the town Q, he decides to what? Change the course and flies to another town R on a bearing of 120, meaning he's measuring from Q, the bearing of 120. If you fly all the way to this place, it will be 90 degrees. So we'll be flying away, getting close to the 180, but we need 120. So we need to add a certain degree to 90 to get 120, and that will be what? 30. So I'll be taking a 30 degree, then so this still be the north and the time what? R. So I need to have all the way to this place as what? 120. I know this will be 30, this will be what? 90. 30, 30 all the way. But I'm trying to make sure this line is in line with this, because we were told that if R is directly east of the point P, this is the point P, we know this is going to be west-east, directly on the east line. So I'm joining the two lines to be the same directly. That was what the question is saying. So this is what we are supposed to get, knowing very well that this will be a dimension. So let's say y. This angle right here is going to be 30 degrees. Why? This is alternating to this place. This is also going to move to this as 45. Since this side is 30, the remaining one will be what? 60. So in that case, 60 plus 30 will be 105. So in that angle, we have 105. In this angle, we have 30. In this angle, we also have what? 40. You know why? 45, 45, not 40. So this angle will also be 45, 45. Because the two add to give us what? 90 degrees. Alright. So what are we looking for? We are looking for PR, the length PR, which is y. We know here, we are not given this, so we can't use the Pythagoras theorem. We know 2 of the angle, if I may say, or 2 of the angle, and 1 and 2 of the side. So we can easily use the sine rule, which says that the sine of the angle, so let me just say I want to use the angle 30, which is opposite to the length 200. So divided by 200 should be the same as the sine of this 105 divided by what? Y. It could also be sine 45 divided by this, which we are not concerned about. So we cross multiply. This multiply this to give us y equals to 200 times sine 105 divided by the coefficient sine what? 30. You know, we are cross multiplying. This will multiply the sine 30, and sine 30 become the coefficient, which will divide both sides, and that will divide the product of 200 and what? Sine 105. So you put that on the calculator, it gives you 386.370. But we are looking for the nearest kilometer, meaning the nearest whole number, and that will be 386 kilometer, meaning the distance between P and R, the town P and town R, will just be 386 what? Kilometers. And that will be the option B on the question paper. Thank you for watching. I will indulge you to share this video with your learning mate. Subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. Comment and like this video. Bye bye.